Guys, so we're back in Stoke. We're in Alex's new unit that he's just moved into. We're going to do some retail arbitrage today. We've got special guest, Matt.
Big up, what's going on? I'm excited for this. We're in Stoke. Anything can happen. Let's go.
23 quid.
What's he, 23
Sounds for 80. Easy. And then there's
So you're
other
making
ones.
40 quid a
Yeah, way more than that. And then the single ones, like just a single one, about 14 quid, selling for between 75 and 95. Got over 100. Yeah, that's good. They all sold within about 2-3 days. And I've got another about 20 in the corner there from Lidl, I think, or Saint, or Aldi. Yeah, it's mad. They're the best thing I've found. Hands down. Easy.
We're going to do some retail arbitrage, show you how it works, show you how easy it is to get the ball rolling with Amazon.
Need to roll like that. No point puttering up your discard. You don't need to know.
We're in Asda with Aftermarket Arbitrage, and today we're doing retail arbitrage. More money, more burgers. Simple as that. Let's go and find out what they've found and what they're doing. Got a film, won't you? What have we got?
Air fryer. £39 purchase price, selling for £69.
£39, selling for 69. £14.23 profit just by buying this. How many is there here?
There's 2 here.
2. It's 30 quid. And that £30 profit to us was 2 pizzas. Let's go! Yeah.
What does that mean in English? Because I'm an old
Video logging, I'm just taking like a diary book, day to day, but video stuff.
Right, okay, but you can't film in here, unfortunately.
What if I was filming on my phone?
No, we ask people not to film and stuff. Sorry, my friend, I don't give you permission to film.
It's not going anywhere.
Sorry?
It's not going anywhere.
It doesn't matter, I don't want any filming in the store. He's filming still, right? Can you ask him to stop, please?
He's not filming.
Well, he's pointed at it as it is, yeah?
He's like a statue.
Can I ask
Oh,
you to
yeah,
leave
no,
the store,
sure.
please, Sorry guys, ask you to leave the store, please, yeah?
Probably get that as well. If it's what Jack would you on that? 13 sales a month.
Yeah, 50%.
Yeah. 11 quid profit off them buys.
Do you want to get that?
So do you still go for stuff even though it's unknown?
If it's got a lot of reviews out, it's 7 reviews.
Yeah. Do you reckon should grab another on that?
Yeah, okay. 60% ROI.
What's that?
87% ROI. This
That one's been posted before.
Funkos, these little collector's items. Ronald McDonald and Officer Mac reporting for duty. Now, Jack, what's the money on these?
So in total for both, you're going to be looking at around about £11 profit. You're only spending £10 to buy them, so you're making over 100% return on investment. How it works is we've got on the Discord, we've basically got channels for every single store. So think of it like a shopping list. B&M here. We've got this product posted right here for B&M, so we knew to come in the store, look for this product. We find it on the shelf, and on this one, we're going to make £8.50 profit. So we'll get as many of these as we can, and it's easy money.
Bush.
Wait, so what's that got to do with him?
So £5.50 reduced price. We'll make £6.40 on each one. 111% return on investment. Pick up 2 of these, another quick £12.
got, I don't even know what's in it. I think Tommy Tippy disposal bins, nappy bins. So, I don't actually know what I've got to be fair. Profit, that's what it is.
Yes, everyone, welcome to the back of the tour bus with the main man Jack Bayliss from Aftermarket Arbitrage. If you're from TikTok, you probably recognise this fella. Jack,
Yes.
talk to me
Glad
about
to be
Aftermarket
back.
Arbitrage, brother.
Yeah, so what we're doing is, in the simplest form, is helping people make money online, mate. You've been with us for, like, since we started now. Day one
maybe even 3 years now.
Yeah, it's coming on 3 years. Day one of our launch was your Hooters video.
Yes.
And that's where everything started for us. That was the video that put us on the map, and we've been working with you ever since. You've seen us sort of develop from a group that was flipping PS5s to sort of now we're in a completely different market, and what do? We adapt, and that's how we continue to help people make money. So we're doing it now with Amazon FBA, and for me right now it's the best sort of side hustle that you could get into, because you're completely in control of everything, and the ability to scale it is like no other side hustle, like when you think about the time invested. Something that anyone can do from 9 to 5. You don't need a lot of money to start. Like you've seen like what some of the products that we post in the Discord. We're going to open some in a minute where we have just had delivered to the unit. £6.97 we bought them for. They sell on Amazon for 88 quid, and you take home £60 profit a unit. Like
crazy numbers.
And it's just like, this is like when it's a product that's like that low. Or we had another one that was 40p we were buying from Boots, selling it for a tenner, making £6 profit a unit. It's like there's no excuse when everyone's got 40p to go out and start buying a product.
The interesting thing for me is that all of this stuff to average Joe can sometimes sound a little bit daunting. You're talking about Discords, all this other stuff, Amazon FBA, all this other jargon. To average Joe at the moment can sound a bit daunting. That's where Aftermarket Arbitrage comes in. As a community, they're very helpful. It's all laid out for you. They've got different shopping lists per store. So if you want to do retail arbitrage, you can go in, you know exactly what you're looking for, exactly what you can expect to make, where to sell it.
Do it on your weekly shop. Like you can do your weekly shop, pick up products whilst you're doing your weekly shop, and then you've paid for everything that you're buying for food. So it's like little things like that. There's a little bit more that everyone else can be doing. Like times are tough for absolutely everyone at the moment. Like we were just talking about the electricity bill, and stuff like that going up. It's everyone, but there is something you can do, and there's an answer, but you've got to be accountable. And
times are particularly tough, Jack, but they've always been tough for certain people. And I've always been a big advocate of doing side hustles, maximising your time. This is how we started doing this, for Christ's sake. And in the early days of Food Review Club, we are totally self-funded. In the early days of Food Review Club, we were buying PS5s and shoes and all sorts of stuff with and alongside Jack that helped us launch this fucking page. That's how serious it is. Like, so there's never a better time, and Jack very kindly has given us a discount code for you guys at home. Use the code FOOD. The link is in my bio, in my link tree. Click Aftermarket Arbitrage and you can sign up. Any questions? How do you want it? DM on Instagram?
Yeah, DM. We've got calls on the website, so you can go onto the website, book a call with me, speak to me directly, run you through anything. And it's literally
doesn't get any simpler.
In its simplest form, Amazon FBA. You're buying a product. You're sending it into Amazon, and Amazon then send it out to the buyer. You don't have to worry about sending it off to anyone. You just send it into Amazon, and then you sit and wait for your profits. It's super simple.
What did I tell you? If you can't go to the shop, you can get this online. We're just unboxing now. Should we have a look? Should we have a chat with him? Alex, can you talk us through what you've got here?
So we've got 4 of these. Let me show you. These are basically Tom Tippy nappy cassettes. Yeah, 8 of them. There's 18 of these nappy cassettes.
The what?
Nappy, you know, like nappy dispensers.
Oh wow.
Like there's like I think there should be in here, like an actual nappy bin, and basically that goes in the bin when the kid does a poo. Oh, I'll chuck it in the bin.
Go buy them.
You might need them. It's going to sell for about £90. So you're talking between £40 and £50 profit. And I've got 4 of them, so what's that? £200, rough give or take. And then I'll show you in a sec what I've got in here. I've got some kettles. Again, this is all stuff that's ordered online. So I've got about 6 of these. So when Amazon come back off the listing, we're going to sell it for about $84.99. So you're talking about £13 profit after fees. 6 of them. Then we've got
That's 60
of these.
Are you doing this full time?
Yeah, full time.
How long have you been at it full time?
I've been full time for about 3 months.
Really?
Yeah, about 3
Are
months.
you glad you made the switch?
100%, yeah.
What were you doing before?
I was working as a normal sales job,
Yeah.
selling kitchens and stuff like that.
Really?
And yeah, best thing I ever did.
What was the talk about the transition from when you did a couple of hours a week and then you slowly saw the opportunity and just scaled it from there, or
Yeah,
what?
so basically what I did was I started Amazon part-time in probably say February time,
Yeah.
and alongside my full-time job from my living room, and then slowly transitioned. I got a unit over there that was pretty much when I went full time, and then slowly the profits just started to build in.
Would you mind saying what your profits are at the moment?
So last month, so what are we now? We're in January. So last month we did about 38k, 40k revenue.
Yep.
Which is about 11 grand profit.
It's really good.
In 1 month.
Really, really strong.
So basically, so for context, so at the start of my journey, I was probably earning, I don't know, £800, £2 grand, and every single month since then, it's just kind of snowballed. And every single month, I've never gone back in profit. Literally, the next
Just
month,
kept scaling up.
No, we go for 12, 15.
And just to make it crystal clear, you've used an aftermarket arbitrage as your north star and guide as to what to buy.
A lot of this I do source myself as well.
Yeah.
Obviously, aftermarket has been obviously a massive help. That's how I initially got started into reselling. I started in lockdown. So before Amazon, I was doing flipping weights, we were flipping PS5s, we were flipping Xboxes, and literally, snowball from there. Yeah.
More profits, more kebabs.
These ones here, I was picking these up from a well-known retailer, or wholesaler rather, in the UK, which everyone will know about. But I can tell you now it's Costco, so I've sold them all now, so it's fine.
You tried to keep that secretive then. You'd be terrible in an investigation.
Well, no, I picked, I'd say conservatively, I would say 300 of these ones. Mascot double ones. I did have some king ones as well, which they've all gone. So I picked up, I would say about 300. I was buying these for about £14, selling them on Amazon for roughly 75 to 95
You buy them from Costco at 14 each?
Yeah, 14.38. And then these was getting flipped on Amazon. It has kind of stalled on price at the minute. They're about £48 now. But in the height of it, I would say between 75 and £95.
Would genuine question here? Would that would the weather dictate prices?
Yeah,
on that?
100%.
Yeah, there you go.
So I think another thing about reselling is to kind of jumping on trends and not only supply and demand issues, but as soon as you find something that's hot, just literally rinse it. That's what I've been doing. There's a video on my Instagram somewhere that I can literally see my car's just full, airtight with these blankets. I must have about 150 in there. Open my car, they just all fall out. I did 3 journeys.
So what have you made on these totals so far? In actual sales? So you haven't got 300 done there, so you must have sold most of them.
Sold, they've all gone to Amazon. I say conservatively, profit-wise, I don't know, 5-6k.
There you go.
I would say. All sold within a week.
I think we've all got aspirations to do other things in our spare time, and this is, even if you don't want to do it full time, this is a genuine vehicle, brother, to do that.
It's a big one.
You're going to do one as well?
There you go. There you go. You got to chew for 15 seconds. Can you try one as well? No. Got to chew for 15 seconds. Hang on. Look at this one here.
As soon as you can't do it,
It doesn't stop for 15 seconds. About 3 minutes when it gets hot.
I can feel it.
Who's done that? Who's done that one? You got 2?
Cameraman.
Woo!
Like, yeah, they are.
Doesn't really kick in for about 3 minutes.
Don't say that. As soon as you swallow, like,
It's on the throat, innit?
You're gonna want a drink. What's some water?
So the only reason I've got these is for my I've got them in my gym bag. I've got them in my gym bag. I was stitching people up in the gym. I've got to try one now, surely. Look, they're all right.
I'll wait till another 5 minutes.
They're hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
You should have had 2.
Nah.
Oh shit, I did as well.
How are they, Kieran?
Fire.
That's hot.
My eye's the worst part. You let my ears.
Right guys, rounding it up, you've probably seen the clips before, my mouth is absolutely on fire. Kieran behind the screen. Fucks, man. But yeah, not the best.
Little sniffle.
not the best day retail arbitrage wise. But we did around about 120, 150 quid of profit from stores today. Sorry guys, keep going here. But it is what it is. We bounced back and we will be out doing it again. And we'll be picking up. He's got, for anyone that's watching, he got it in his eye.
He's got
and
pink eye.
like, his eye's watering like man, he's so fucked. It's like he's been pepper sprayed. But yeah, it's what it is, guys. We'll go and we'll take advantage of the online leads now and go sit at home and get back to the office, get some more products ordered, hit that daily spend goal. See, Alex bringing in all his orders here. One of the products in particular that Alex picked up from the Amazon software that we've developed that finds Amazon to Amazon deals. Now this picked up a Tommy TP product, so it's £6.97 retail plus his shipping on there, and then you can see profit £42.
Times 4.
Got 4 of them, 160 quid, and it takes what? How many clicks? Like probably like 10 clicks of a button to get through the checkout flow and order that stock. And that's really how easy this sort of stuff is. You can do it in store as you've seen today. Order it online, use our software, use the products that we give you, and you can be in a unit. You can get to Alex's point, 11 grand in December. It's possible. Cheers, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.